George is making an animal scrapbook, and he needs your help. When you're done, decorate your pages with stamps. Which of these animals also has hair? George has a bear, a bee, a goat, a goat. That's right. A bear and a goat are both mammals, and mammals have hair. Which of these animals also lays eggs? Here's a snake, a trout, a cat, a rhino. Uh-oh, a rhino is a mammal, and most mammals don't lay eggs. Go again. A cat. Oops, a cat is a mammal, and most mammals don't lay eggs. Go again. A trout. That's right. A snake and a trout both lay eggs. Which of these animals also has a tough outer shell? Here's a clam, a beaver. Uh-oh, a beaver doesn't have a tough outer shell. Try again. A frog. Uh-oh, a frog doesn't have a tough outer shell. Go again. A beetle. That's right. A clam and a beetle both have tough outer shells. Which of these animals has the same number of legs? Here's a bulldog, a raccoon. Yes, a bulldog and a raccoon both have 4 legs. Which of these animals can also stick onto things? Here's an octopus, a sea anemone. That's right. An octopus and a sea anemone can both stick onto things. Hooray! You got 5 animals. Find more animals or decorate your pages. Which of these animals can also climb well? George has an orangutan, a shark, a raccoon. You got it. An orangutan and a raccoon can both climb really well. Which of these animals also has hair? George has a panda, a rabbit. Yes, a panda and a rabbit are both mammals, and mammals have hair. Which of these animals also lays eggs? Here's a woodpecker, a meerkat. Oops, a meerkat is a mammal, and most mammals don't lay eggs. Go again. A rhino. Sorry, a rhino is a mammal, and most mammals don't lay eggs. Try again. A penguin. Yes, a woodpecker and a penguin both lay eggs. Which of these animals has the same number of legs? Here's a blue jay, a pigeon. Yes, a blue jay and a pigeon are both birds, so they have 2 legs. Which of these animals is also smaller than George? George has a clam, an earthworm. Yes, a clam and an earthworm are both smaller than George. Great job! Find more or decorate. When you're finished decorating your pages, you can print them or just click New Book for more animals.
Yeah. Woo! Ah! Woo! 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 Yeah. Ah! Ooh! Uh-huh.